Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm very excited to share with you my recent matte makeup look. I've been loving this matte makeup, and if you'd like to see how I accomplished it, then stick around with me. Don't go anywhere and keep watching. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's get started. Now that my face and brows are prepped and ready to go, I'm going to move on to the shadows. I'm using the Naked Ultimate Basics palette from Urban Decay. I love how matte these shades are. Now there's about one slightly shimmer shade, but we'll get to that later. So the first shade I'm picking up and very sloppily working into my crease is Commando. Once that is complete, I'm going to pick up Instinct and Lethal, and I'm going to focus this on the outer third, first like some tapping motions and then some sweeping motions back and forth. And then I'm also, because I have very hooded eyes, I have to make sure that I lift that product up high enough so when my eyes are open, you can actually see the product there. So I'm gonna keep working that in, and then once both sides are nice and deepen and darken, I'm gonna go ahead and blend them out. Mixing the colors Pregame and Nudie, I'm going to apply them to my lid with the pad of my pinky finger, all the way from my inner corner and right up to the edge of the dark shadows. Now picking up the brush from before, I'm just going to blend right at the edge there so it's nice and seamless. For the inner corner, I'm going to use that slight shimmer shade I was kind of talking about, and it's called Below, just for some extra pop. Now for the under eye, I'm going to use the brush from before again, and I'm going to add no extra product on it, and I'm going to focus it on the outer third and then just slightly brush it to about midway of the lower lash line. Then of course pick up the blending brush, blend, then take the palette, put it down, and pick up some eyeliner. So I'm using a liquid eyeliner today, and I'm going to do a very tiny little wing for this makeup look. You could go as extreme or not extreme as you want. You could even do no eyeliner. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would love an updated eyeliner video. I would love to share some of my tips and tricks for eyeliner for hooded eyes. To help my Tana eyes pop a little more, I'm going to add a nice light nude pencil liner to my lower waterline, and then I'm going to add off camera some falsies and some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Now blush, this is the Tarte Party blush, and it's my favorite right now. I absolutely love it. Now to set everything, I'm going to use a nice Kat Von D setting spray. Of course, fan it out, and then almost done. Got lips, and using my favorite matte liquid lipstick from Joseph Colors called Stone. All right, so applying that nice and quick, and then once that is done, I'm gonna give a little swoosh of my hair, but then I remember there's one more step I like to do. Once I'm done with my setting spray, I like to add a quick like mattifying powder to my face to help get rid of the shine and sheen, because I'm very shiny and it's all about matte right now. So right to the forehead, the inner portions of my cheeks and my chin, and then voila, living the matte life. And that is it. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out my matte makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed and you'll give it a try. And all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for a new video. Take care. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Your defect, it's not an excuse. It's the willful.